In this video, I am going to show you how to install gnukhata 8 on Ubuntu. First, we need to connect the internet on Ubuntu PC and make sure it is working properly. Then open the browser and type google.com. Then search gnukhata download. Meanwhile, I am opening terminal as well. Here I am verifying my internet connectivity after pinging google.com. Then select the download. Here you can see gnukhata 8 installer. Press the installer. Here you can see the installation options. For installing gnukhata, we require Docker. For installing the gnukhata, we need to update the Ubuntu. Here I am updating Ubuntu first of all. Sudo apt update. Then we need to use the upgrade command. Sudo apt upgrade. Confirm the upgrade. Upgrading will take time. Here I am doing the fast forwarding. And copy paste the Docker installation command. Here it will ask the user password. You need to enter the user password. Then confirm yes. It will start to install. Here I am doing the fast forwarding. Docker. Now the Docker installation is completed. Here we need to download the Docker file before installing. Here I am going to install gnukhata on home folder. For this purpose, I am changing the folder cd/home and user folder is dream. So I am selecting the user folder dream. Here my username is dream. So I am just selecting my user folder for installing the gnukhata. If your username is something else, that username folder you can see. Here I am installing on the particular user folder. Then I am creating a folder name with gnukhata. For this purpose, I am using mkdir gnukhata. We need to move the downloaded file to gnukhata folder. After copy pasting, we need to change the location to that gnukhata folder. Here we need to run the gnukhata installation command. It will take time. Here I am doing the fast forwarding for avoiding the time lagging. Now our gnukhata installation has been completed. If you want to stop the service, you can use the second command. But here we are using the same gnukhata, so I am not using that command. You can access the gnukhata with the localhost :2020. So I am pressing that one. Now we can see our gnukhata is opened. Here we can do the gnukhata basic settings. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.